In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy links from 1688 and Taobao. If you source products from Chinese marketplaces, being able to grab a clean link quickly is essential for sharing with teammates, sending to suppliers, or saving into a spreadsheet. I'll walk you through simple, reliable ways to copy product links, store links, and even links your supplier sends in chat, first on 1688 and then on Taobao. I'll explain what the buttons look like and give you a few tips so you don't get stuck. Let's start with 1688. Open the product you want inside the 1688 app. On the product page, look for the share button, usually near the top right. It will show the Chinese characters Fenxiang. Tap that, then choose Fuji Lianjie, which means copy link. You should see a brief confirmation, and the product link is now in your clipboard, ready to paste anywhere you need. If you want the supplier's store link instead of a single item, first tap the store name on the product page to enter the storefront. Once you're inside the store, tap share again, then select Fuji Lianjie. That copies the store's main link so you can revisit or share the entire shop. You can also copy a link straight from a chat with a supplier. Open the conversation, then long press the product card or the specific message that includes the item. A small menu will appear. Tap Fuji Lianjie to copy it instantly. This is handy when a seller sends you multiple options and you want to save a particular one without navigating to the product page. A quick tip on 1688. Depending on your language settings, you may see a short link or a code in the clipboard. That's normal. Paste it in your notes or a message and it will still open the correct product. Now let's do the same on the Taobao app. Open the product page you're interested in, tap the share button labeled Fenxiang, and then select Fuji Lianjie. Your product link is copied. For a store link, enter the seller's store first, then tap share and choose Fuji Lianjie, just like on 1688. If the share button isn't visible or the app only gives you a code, use the browser method. Open the product in your mobile browser, tap the address bar at the top, and copy the full URL. This gives you a traditional link that's easy to paste into documents or tools that prefer complete web addresses. If copying doesn't work on the first try, make sure your app has permission to access the clipboard and try again. That's it. Now you can quickly copy product and store links from both 1688 and Taobao with confidence.